See, did you see? It's very clear. Do you know any girl? Why like this? You're coming in my life and you asking a lady, do you think I am a dating site? You go in the TikTok, there's a lot of people there that are doing dating for another nationality. Ayan, you can go there. So here it is. Guys, I'm doing my own content, so please. I don't want these things, this kind of things like dating site, dating site. Oh my god. When I give you Filipina and your money was lost, after that you're coming to me and you're crying. See, my money was lost. You are not good person, you know. They're doing like that. I know very well. Because it happens already in Dubai. When they lost their our money, they're crying like a baby.